Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a turkey roast in the air fryer oven. So let's get roasting. I have a butterball turkey roast here, and this one is white and dark meat. The first two I picked up were white meat only, just the breast meat, but so they do make both. I like the dark meat, so I grabbed this one. I have cooked these before, but it's been a long time, and I haven't cooked one in my new air fryer toaster oven, so I'm going to try it in that. This is 48 ounces, so 3 pounds, and I think it was $15.99. Now it says you can cook these from frozen, and it takes 2.5 to 3 hours, or you can thaw it, and it should take, whoa, what the heck? Oh man, I bet you there's a gravy packet there. I just cut right into my gravy packet. So, oh man, what happened here? Oh man. What the heck? Oh shoot. Look at that. What did I do here? Oh yeah. Oh, well, now we know there's a gravy packet in there, and I just kind of wrecked my gravy packet. So that makes things interesting. So anyway, what I was saying, if it's thawed, it should take 1 3/4 to 2 hours. But anyway, all right. Shoot. Well, kind of made a big mess there. All right. Anyway, I'm going to cook this in my 10-inch cast iron skillet. Now, this one's all thawed out. I bought it yesterday and I let it thaw, so it's thawed. That's pretty small. I don't see how that's going to take 2 hours. I think it'll take less than that, but I guess we'll find out. Anyway, I'll get it in the cast iron skillet there. I'm going to season the outside of this with some Johnny's seasoned pepper. This has no salt, just sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion. So I'm not sure how salty this would be, so I really didn't want to use a salty seasoning. So I'll just go with this. I use this all the time. And I'm going to stick this oven meat thermometer right in the center of it. That'll help me tell when it's done. You want to cook poultry to about 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. This 10-inch cast iron skillet fits perfectly in this oven, and I can see the thermometer through the glass. And it says to cook it at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'll just get that going and keep an eye on it until the internal temperature is about 165 degrees Fahrenheit. It's been 75 minutes or an hour and 15 minutes, and it looks like my temperature is just about 165 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm going to get this out of there. I have some stovetop cornbread stuffing there, so I'm going to make it right in this pan. I'll just get the roast out of there, put that on that plate, and I'll just, that way I can use the drippings from the roast in the stuffing. So just add a 1.5 cups of water like the box says, and rather than add butter, I'll just use the drippings from the pan, and I'll just get that in there. This kitchen is so small, it's kind of hard to work sometimes. Anyway, stir that up, and I'll just put it back in the oven for, I don't know, just 5 minutes or so until it's warm. My stuffing's been in here for 5 or 6 minutes, so let's get that out of there. That's an easy way to do the stuffing. Fluff it up a little bit, and we'll cut into our roast. The internal temperature of this is 170, so it kept climbing a little bit after I pulled it out of the oven. It's been sitting here for about 15 minutes or so. This still has that netting on it, and I have a feeling if I pull it off it's going to make a big mess. So I think I'll just try cutting it in half, cutting right through the netting, just because I think the appearance will look a little bit nicer. Maybe. Alright, let's see. It looks nice and juicy inside. Yeah, I think that looks good. I cut off a little bite-sized piece. Let's try it. That's good, but it is fairly salty, so I'm glad I didn't use any salty seasonings on it. Guess we'll see what Annie thinks. Want to try it, Annie? There you go. Floor looking good. I use the air roast setting on this oven, but if your oven doesn't have that, just use bake. And it did cook quite a bit faster than the package said. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Before I go, let me show you one of my favorite sandwiches. White bread with mayonnaise, turkey, stuffing, and cranberry sauce.